Four top Republican senators on Friday urged US President Joe Biden not to accept a proposal by India and South Africa to the World Trade Organization to waive anti-COVID vaccine patents to boost its supply, reports PTI. India, South Africa, and other countries are presenting a proposal at the World Trade Organization to waive all intellectual property rights for any innovation related to COVID-19. The group of four Republican senators wrote in a letter to Biden. The proponents of this scheme argue that if we just destroy the intellectual property developed by American companies, we will suddenly have more manufacturers producing COVID-19 vaccines, they said. In the letter, Senators Mike Lee, Tom Cotton, Johnny Ernest, and Todd Young urged Biden to reject the upcoming proposal at the WTO. But the opposite is true. By destroying the intellectual property of every American company that has worked on COVID-19 vaccines and treatments, we would be ending the progress started under Operation Warp Speed that led to the fastest development of life-saving vaccines in the history, the senators wrote. They alleged that some countries believe that they would benefit from seizing Americans' intellectual property. But this is a mistake, they said. Waiving all rights to intellectual property would end the innovation pipeline and stop the development of new vaccines or boosters to address variants in the virus. It also wouldn't increase the supply of vaccines because of the tremendous time and resources needed to build new manufacturing plants and acquire the know-how to produce these complex medicines, they said. Even if the waiver may temporarily result in a few copycats attempting to produce what American companies develop, it would introduce major quality control problems, the senators said. As a global leader and force for good, we can do a lot to help other countries overcome the virus. But destroying our rights to intellectual property wouldn't advance our mission of fighting the virus. It would make the problem worse for America and for the world, they wrote. Early this week, hundreds of American civil society organizations and 3 top congressmen urged Biden not to block the waiver to COVID-19 vaccines at World Trade Organization. A move they said would boost the treatment of coronavirus patients worldwide. The COVID-19 pandemic knows no borders and the need for vaccine development and dissemination across the globe is critically important. The TRIPS waiver raised by India and South Africa at the WTO would help the global community move forward in defeating the scourge of COVID-19 by making diagnostics, treatments, and vaccines available in developing countries. Congressman Rosa DeLauro, chairman of the House Appropriations Committee, told reporters at the news conference. The WTO agreement on trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights requires countries to provide lengthy and monopoly protections for medicines, tests, and technologies used to produce them. News Desk, Kaumudy English.